there are many types of breech delivery. First is spontaneous, where you don't do anything. There is assisted breech delivery, where you are going to assist few of the steps. And there is breech extraction, where you will remove the baby yourself. Why we are teaching you this in internship? Because we cannot teach you the full breech delivery now. Common thing, what happens? The nurse will call you or midwife, say, Doctor, mother in ambulance or in Sierra or in DR, she is delivered, this is breech and head is not coming out. Okay, so what you will do? So, this is the important thing, because if the head is not delivered, what will happen to the baby? There will be asphyxia. Why there is asphyxia? Because you imagine this baby is like this, the body is outside. So what the baby? Umbilical cord can get compressed. One. Second thing, the uterus is contracting. So the placental blood supply is reducing. Third, the baby is outside, exposed to the hypothermia and premature breathing is going to cause problem for the baby. So what you will do, there are 3 maneuvers which are normally used. The first is, you will call for help. Who will you call for help? One assistant, one pediatrician or neonatologist, because the baby might require resuscitation. Third is an anesthetist, in case we need to give some sedation or something. Okay. What are the 3 maneuvers for delivery of after coming head? This is called after coming head of breech. Normal vertex, first the head comes out. So there are 3 methods. So first I am going to show you with the baby outside. Okay. The idea is to reduce this diameter. Okay. How you will reduce this diameter? By flexion. So how you will flex this? I can do it in 2 ways. Either I do like this, put my finger in the mouth. Is it good? No. You might dislocate the jaw. So what we will do? These are called the malus eminences. This one, this bone, axilla. You put your 2 fingers of the non-dominant hand. That means my dominant hand is right. So I put my left hand and pull like this. Okay? To flex. So you see what is happening now? Diameter is reducing or increasing? Reducing. But this is not enough. So what I will do? I will also pull. Traction. Pull with dominant hand. I use my right hand. I use 3 fingers. Middle, index and ring. The middle finger is on the baby's occiput. Here. The index and ring fingers are on the shoulders. Like this. Why this middle finger? For 2 things. One is for flexion, more flexion. And second is to splint the neck. You know splinting? Why I splint? Suppose there is a fracture in my humerus. Somebody will splint it to protect it from injuries. This is going to splint it to prevent injury to the baby's cervical spine. Okay? So you are going to do like this and you are going to pull in the normal direction of the pelvis, which is like this. Okay? Downward and backward, then downward and then in a J shape upward, like you saw in instrument, isn't it?
Yes.
So what you will do inside, this is called jaw flexion and shoulder traction. It is also called Mauricio smelly weight maneuver. Mauricio smelly weight maneuver. It is there in the lecture on breech. Okay?
Yeah.
This is the first thing. It's not the first thing, you can use any of the maneuvers. The second is called Burns Marshall technique. Burns, you know Burns?
Yeah.
Surgery Burns. Marshall technique.
Marshall.
In that what you do is, you let the baby, you want flexion, right?
Yes.
How will you achieve flexion? By making the baby weight hang down so that the gravity will produce flexion. For that what you need? Can you make the baby hang if mother is here?
No.
What you have to do? You have to bring the mother to the which part of the mother to the edge?
Buttocks.
Buttocks to the edge. Okay. Then you will let the baby hang. Hang. Yani you will not do anything except cover the baby and support. Don't support, like otherwise he cannot hang. Understood? Why we are doing this? That when she is contracting, she is in labor. She will push till this part is called the nape of the neck. This part. This part is called the NAPE of the neck. Nape. I will show you in him here, somewhere here. Why you are looking for nape? Because then you know that you can do this maneuver. If you try to do before, what will happen? You will damage the cervical spine. Also, you will not be able to deliver the baby. After hanging for till the nape is visible, you stand on the right side. If I am a right-hander, I grip the baby's feet. Usually, remember when you hold a newborn or fetus or baby, always be sure of your hold. How you will hold? One finger in between and two fingers. See? Always do. Right? So once the nape is visible, I swing the baby. Slowly onto the mother's abdomen. This is a model, so in a normal mother it will come onto the mother's abdomen. This is called Burns-Marshall technique. Okay? Burns-Marshall.
Support the head when.
I will tell you.
So, I refer to when the nape is out.
Nape is visible.
Visible.
Again, I bring the mother to the edge of the table, the buttocks. Okay? I will cover the baby with a sheet, sterile towel. Then I will observe, I will encourage her to push till the nape is visible. Then I will hold this baby's feet, hold straight out. Then swing the baby
up
onto the mother's
abdomen.
Okay? The third thing is using forceps. That is a special forceps, like that forceps you saw, you cannot use here. Because that is outlet forceps. You saw forceps?
Yes.
Here you use something special called Piper's forceps. That is long and shaped like this. So how you do? For that I need an assistant. For example, he is my assistant. I will tell him to cover the baby with a towel like this. Like this, a towel. Say, suppose this is a towel. He will hold the towel like this. And I will put the which blade first? Normally?
Left.
So one blade, hold. So I put one blade here, then one blade here. Pull, how pull?
Downward.
Same direction. Downward and backward and forward. Then you move it in a J shape and
But how can you apply?
forceps on shoulder or
Apply it.
apply on the head. See. Remember, you see this now. This is the baby, huh?
Yes.
What is inside? Shoulder is inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. Only head is inside. So if I lift the baby like this, I put one blade here, one blade here. See, I will take it out. One blade here, one blade here. See, nice, protected. I do like this. Okay. Usually you use the first two methods. So now I will show you inside how you do. So first thing is hold for hand. Reassure mother. Bring the mother to the edge of the table. Will you give anesthesia? No.
I need her.
Will you give episiotomy?
No.
Maybe if she is primary and is very tight perineum, no need. I mean, you have to give. If she is a multi, para 8, loose, no need. So the first step, remember, if I am right-hander, my pulling is done with the dominant hand. So first I will do with my left hand, I put inside, feel the malar eminence. Now how I will feel the malar eminence? How do I know? Go by the side of the nose, above the mouth, and feel the bone here. Okay?
maybe injure his eye.
You have to be careful. you will not enjoy.
You can't.
Because you cannot reach so high. See? So you go like this. Feel the nose and go by the side of the nose. Let the baby's legs be on your forearm. Mom, this forearm. Then I put my other hand like this. This finger on the occiput, this finger on the shoulder and both shoulder. See? Then what I will do, I pull, that means this is doing flexion. I pull downwards and backwards, and once nape of the neck is visible, after that what? Deliver by just swinging the baby like this. Again onto the others, but you are holding the baby. So, again, this is the, which hand first?
Left.
No. Go inside. Go feel the baby's mouth, nose. Go by the side of the nose. Hold the malar eminence. Then put your dominant hand. Put this on the occiput. Then start pulling this direction. Then once the nape, this is very important. Before that you should not try this. The nape. See, this is what forward. This is what backward. This is downward. Understood? You are going in this direction. Because the birth canal is like this. Then it becomes like this J shape. Understood? So, you will first pull like this. Then once the nape is visible, I do a swinging and I move like this to this side of the.
I didn't apply flexion.